Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of September 29, 2021 from today's importance. So on this day, it is celebrated as World Heart Day. World Heart Day is observed annually on 29 September. This day informs people about heart disease and strokes, which is the world's leading cause of death. And going to the current affairs, the first question is, who among the following receives Global Philanthropist of the Year 2021 award? The options are A. Sanjay Godawat, B. Shrenik Godawat, C. Sushila Dhanchand, and D. Gautam Adani. The correct answer is B. Shrenik Godawat. Sanjay Godawat receives Global Philanthropist of the Year 2021 award. SGF during the pandemic has distributed over 5 lakh food packets. Sanjay Godawat Foundation ran a full-fledged COVID care center at Tiger, Kolhapur. Educationalist Dr. Jagdish Gandhi was awarded honorary doctorate by Queen's University, UK. Dr. Gandhi is the first Indian educationalist to receive this honor. He co-founded with Dr. Bharati Gandhi the City Montessori School in Lucknow in 1959. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and N.R. Narayana Murthy have also received this coveted honor. School has grown from 5 pupils to 55,000 and is recognized as the world's largest school. The second question is, who among the following becomes first women speaker of Gujarat Assembly? The options are A. Bhavanaben Patel, B. Anandiben Patel, C. Nimaben Acharya, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Nimaben Acharya. Nimaben Acharya becomes first woman speaker of Gujarat Assembly. Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel proposed her name for the speaker's post. The speaker's post fell vacant after Rajendra Trivedi resigned on September 16. The third question is, who among the following will be representing Hobart Hurricanes in WBBL? The options are A. Smriti Mandana, B. Richa Ghosh, C. Shafali Verma, and D. Harpreet Kaur. And the correct answer is B. Richa Ghosh. Indian wicketkeeper batter Richa Ghosh will be representing Hobart Hurricanes in WBBL. Richa Ghosh becomes the fifth Indian cricketer to link up with WBBL in 2021. Other 4 players are Smriti Mandana, Deepti Sharma, Shafali Verma, and Radha Yadav. The fourth question is, Which of the following becomes Dubai's second biggest trading partner in first half of 2021? The options are A. USA, B. China, C. Japan, and D. India. And the correct answer is D. India. India becomes Dubai's second biggest trading partner in first half of 2021, with the total volume of the trade amounting to 38.5 billion dirham. The fifth question is, who among the following has launched Dekho Meri Delhi mobile app? The options are A. Narendra Modi, B. Arvind Kejriwal, C. Kiran Rijiju, and D. Mamata Banerjee. And the correct answer is B. Arvind Kejriwal. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has launched Dekho Meri Delhi mobile app. The mobile application will provide information about all historic and famous places. Through the app, travelers can also book tickets and plan their tour around Delhi. The sixth question is, which of the following countries have decided to legalize same-sex marriage? The options are A. Switzerland, B. France, C. China, and D. USA. The correct answer is A. Switzerland. Switzerland decided to legalize same-sex marriage on September 26, 2021, making Switzerland one of the last countries in Western Europe to do so. The seventh question is, who among the following will be conferred with Assam's Lokapriya Gopinath Bardoloi? The options are A. Narendra Modi, B. Venkaiah Naidu, C. Ramnath Kovind, and D. Amit Shah. The correct answer is B. Venkaiah Naidu. Assam government to confer Lokapriya Gopinath Bardoloi Award on Venkaiah Naidu. Award will be presented to Naidu during his proposed visit to Assam on October 3rd. Prize amount of the annual award was reportedly increased to 5 lakh from 2 lakh. The award has been named after Lokapriya Gopinath Bardoloi, a great freedom fighter, Assam's first chief minister after India's independence. He was honored with the Bharat Ratna for his contributions to the society in 1999. Names of Assam's highest state civilian awards to be changed as follows: Assam Ratna to Assam Vaibhav, Assam Vibhushan to Assam Saurav, Assam Bhushan, and Shri to Assam Gaurav. And the eighth question is, which of the following gets geographical identification GI tag? The options are A. Naga cucumber from Nagaland, B. Mirchi from Andhra Pradesh, C. Tobacco from Maharashtra, and D. Coconut from Kerala. The correct answer is A. Naga cucumber from Nagaland. Naga cucumber from Nagaland gets geographical identification GI tag. And England all-rounder Moeen Ali announces retirement from Test cricket. In 64 tests, Moeen has made 2,914 runs and picked up 195 wickets. On September 8, 2020, Ali first captained England in a T20 innings match against Australia. He became the first Asian origin cricketer to captain England in T20s. In 2017, Moeen Ali becomes England's second spinner to take hat-trick in Test. Ali achieved the feat during England's third Test match against South Africa. Ali bagged Dean Elgar, Kagiso Rabada, Morne Morkel to complete his hat-trick. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. Under the mission, people of the country will now get a digital health ID. This pilot project announced by PM from the ramparts of the Red Fort on August 15, 2020. Currently, the project is being implemented in the pilot phase in 6 union territories. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize. The prestigious Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize for Science and Technology 2021. 11 scientists received Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize for Science and Technology 2021. The award for Biology Sciences went to Dr. Amit Singh and Dr. Arun Kumar Shukla. The award for Chemical Sciences went to Dr. Kanishka Biswas and Dr. T. Govindaraju. The award for Earth, Atmosphere, Ocean and Planetary Sciences went to Dr. P. K. Saikia. The award for Engineering Sciences went to Dr. Devdeep Mukhopadhyay. The award for Mathematical Sciences went to Dr. Anish Ghosh and Dr. Saket Saurabh. The award for Medical Sciences went to Dr. Jimon Paniamakkal and Dr. Rohit Srivatsava. The award for Physical Sciences went to Dr. Kanak Saha. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize for Science and Technology, instituted in 1958 by CSIR. The award is named after the founder director of the CSIR, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. The Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize is given to Indian scientists below the age of 45. The prize comprises a citation, flag, and a cash award of 5 lakh rupees. In addition, recipients also receive 15,000 rupees per month up to the age of 65 years. Up until 2007, the prize money was 2 lakh and was raised to 5 lakh in 2008. The prize is divided into 7 disciplines. Each discipline can have multiple winners. The one-liners today are: Lieutenant General Garbipal Singh took over as the Director General of National Cadet Corps. Sarbananda Sonowal elected unopposed to Rajya Sabha from Assam. Rajat Sharma elected as President of News Broadcaster and Digital Association. Avinash Pandey elected as Vice President of News Broadcaster and Digital Association. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.